Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Academia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can perform your KYC on ICE decentralized future. They have come out with their KYC step 1 and we have done it. Now they have also come out with the step 2. And so I'm going to show you how you can perform the KYC step 2. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now, before you can perform the KYC step 2, you need to update your app. You go to the Play Store and update the app. After you have updated the app, then you come here, the mining button. You just click on it. Once you click on it, it will expose you to this page, KYC step 2. Verify your account easily by using your existed X profile. So you have to click here, continue. Once you click on continue, now these are the steps that they have bring. 1, you have to open X and research for ICE blockchain account. That's the 1. And 2, find the pin post, which is the first post on the profile. And then the third one, like and repost it with quote using the exact text below. So we have to copy this text. We have to copy this text and then verify it with Twitter. So we have to copy this text. I have copied the text. Then we go back to our Twitter account. Let's go to our Twitter page. Now here we have to search for ICE decentralized. Yeah, so this is the ICE decentralized blockchain. So this is the pin. This is the pin post. So we have to scroll down a little. So we have to like this page. You have to like this page, and then we click here, the tweet button. Then we click here, quote tweet. Once we click on quote tweet, we just paste our text that we have just copied. So tap on and then you click here, retweet. Your tweet was sent. So now we have to go back to our so once we click on the profile section, it will land us to this page. Then you click your profile. Click your profile. Now this is a tweet that we have tweeted. Then we have to click here. We have to click here and then copy the link here. So let's tap on it. Now we have to copy the link. Once we have done, then we go back to our page. Then we click continue. Then we click here confirm. Then we post the link that we have just copied. You have to paste the link and we click here verify. You have to click on verify. You have to click confirm. So love it. Now you see verification completed. Then you click continue. You click continue. Verification completed. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your KYC step 2. You are now verified. Wow. So click continue. Then you tap on the logo button to start mining. Just tap it slowly. Now my mining have started. As you can see, now the mining button is now green. That means it is mining. So guys, this is how you can perform your KYC step 2 on the ICE blockchain. If you have found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.